Hello YouTube, I am back, and I've changed my texture back from John Smith because John Smith is kind of, I got bored of it very fast. So I just changed, I decided to change to 3232 Faithful. And I like this a lot, actually. So I've decided I need to get on with some of the challenges. I realize I haven't been using them or doing them very much. And I thought I'd start off with go fishing. So I'm going to make a fishing rod here. And I just did. Which is good. It's good. Okay. Copyright. I don't care. Some wood there. Now, I'm going to go mine a little bit. Da 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 da. Doop 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 doop. Mario music is so cool. Now, I was watching my video earlier, and I saw clay somewhere in the ground. Just randomly. And truly, I think it's hiding underneath some of the snow somewhere. I'm gonna have to find that one of these days. For the achievement Go Fishing, I've decided I'm going to count eventually eating the fish for going fishing. So go fishing, catching a fish, cooking the fish, and eating it. I'm gonna say that is go fishing. I don't know how big this is gonna get. For diamond as well, so there must be iron somewhere on this island. Like, I'm gonna have to find it somewhere. I don't know where to look, but oh, 2 melons. I just broke. No, I just broke my farm. Look at all these saplings. Yummy. Okay. There we go. Oh, oh, fly. Too many flies. Here we go. Whoa. Hello, melon. Why you decide to go there? What? Those are achievements. Anyway. I'm just gonna watch the clock and hopefully make it on time. Oh, I'm sorry, cow. Are you stuck? Come on up. Okay. I'm going... Oh, I love the music disc. I'm definitely gonna make... Well, I gotta make a diamond pick, but all the diamonds are, like, hanging off the bottom. Don't know how I'm gonna pick them up either. Yes! Another sapling. Okay, dirt, coal, cobble. I'm gonna go fishing. Let's get an achievement done this episode, since I've made a bunch of episodes already, and I haven't done very many achievements. Come on, fishy. I'm gonna fish from here and go that way, since that's too deep. And, oh, there we go. Come on, fishy! Yes! Haha. I guess this is just the achievement anyway. Catch a fish. So I've basically done the achievement, but I'm not going to say it's done until I've cooked it up. I gotta cook it up. Let's get some food going. Yes! Ha 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 ha. This tree's going away. I'm sick and tired of this tree. This tree's going bye-bye. There we go. Tree gone. Just that easy. Okay. I'm gonna make some torches. Torches. Okay. Time. I guess we're doing okay. I hope. Because I'm not actually using my timer this time, so. I hope it's okay. There's my fish. I'm gonna eat it up. And I would say that is achievement complete. Let's go. Let's go. Take it off. Okay, go fishing. Done. So, going fishing is completed. Now, I've got to... I need cows as an achievement. So this cow is extremely important to the success of the map. And if I only have one cow right now, I'm done. It's over. And I just realized I see a sheep here. So let this poor sheepy up. Is there wool down there? No, a chicken. Chicken looks like it's about to push the sheep off the edge too. Okay, there's a cow over there. Ooh, whoa. This tree is annoying. There we go. I'm up. This mushroom, I mean, it's nice and all, but should I make it my house? I'm gonna make it my house. This mushroom, I declare my home. Nothing you say can change my mind. Okay, let's do some cobble. Whoa. That was close. I'm sorry I didn't talk. That was kind of nerving. Now, I think this is the last cow on my island, so I think I am stuck. I don't think I can ever make little baby cows, ever, because I think that's the last cow on the earth. There is a chicken down there and a pig. What is up with these animals? I think they're spawning down here, actually. Ooh. There's an egg! I need that egg. It's vital for the success of the video and the map. Go up, chicken. Thank you. I have to very slowly proceed down to that egg. Yes, I've got the egg. It is amazing. Come on up, piggy. You can do it. Okay. This